Hi, in today's video I'm going to be capturing this beautiful limeish, yellowish, greenish stone, 18 karat with diamonds on the side as well on a black background using the GemLightbox aerial. So very simply, we're going to place our item inside. I'm going to put my reflector on. This piece is quite large, so I'd like to actually capture it from a different perspective where I'm going to place my smartphone on the landscape angle. Now simply tap to focus and we can play with the brightness until we get the perfect color. So that looks about right to me, and once I'm ready, simply click to capture. So we can see that beautiful stone turning around with all those nice facets from all over, and this magnificent 18 karat white gold diamond setting holding it. And finish. As you can see, the result is just stunning. And then maybe even do this. This is always the best shot.